It's almost like standing.
Hey! Look, you're standing. You're standing all on your own, Floyd. What do you think?
Yeah? I think he's going to get the hang of it real soon. Yeah.
Like, hang on, I can balance on this. Yeah!
Yeah!
Do you think it's a bit too long?
Don't know. Maybe.
What stops them from smacking into the sides?
Nothing.
I think it might be a bit too long, no?
Yoo-hoo!
Jump, honey, jump, 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 jump. You big boy. Yeah.
Yeah. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Yeah. Good boy, Floyd.
Awesome. Is it fun? Yoo.
Hey, we've got some more else we'll put in while we're down here.
Yeah.
He really likes it.
Yeah, I think he does. Now you can dance with me. Let's see that fancy footwork. Yeah! Excellent.